Hallie eating bananas. Oh. Are those sour bananas? Yeah. Here, hey you. Sour bananas? Here, take a bite. You want some? Hi. Yeah. And then my girl. Here, honey. Say, I'm 6 months old. Oh. Bananas are the worst for I did. You can't have this food. Oh yeah. Here. Ow. Yeah. See that? Here we go. Bananas. What's that song? Chucky the Banana. Have you ever had your banana?
Banana,
This
banana,
is taping.
banana,
This is
banana,
taping.
banana,
All right.
banana, banana.
All right. Here you go. That's awesome. Here. Here comes the shake. Here,
Just
honey.
did it again.
Here, honey. She does it every time. Wait, bananas are the worst. And then pears. Sweet potatoes aren't so bad. Green beans aren't so bad. Here. I don't like bananas either.
What?
I don't like bananas either.
Ew. You tasted it?
Yeah, they're just
What's it taste like?
pureed bananas.
What's it taste like?
You want to taste them?
Ugh.
Just bananas.
Oh, I know what she does that now.
Here, honey. Hallie.
Quitting the video.
Hey. Huh?
I'm quitting the video.
Okay.